Hello everybody. I'm not sure if you can hear me or not, but I'm giving you a little bit of a tour of my neighborhood here in the Philippines. As you can see, the roads aren't that great. A lot of potholes and such. So right now I'm walking towards the mall. I have some shopping to do. This week is Holy Week, so the stores will be closed for a few days later this week. So I need to get some shopping done. Anyways, it should be about a 15-minute walk or so to the mall. But I wanted to give you a view of the neighborhood, so let's just walk. One thing you'll notice is the lack of sidewalks. So I'm kind of having to walk here on this shoulder, which isn't the safest thing in the world. But I notice traffic is a little bit lighter today. For Holy Week, a lot of the people, they leave the city and they head back to the province where they're from. So I think a lot of people have already left. People who haven't left yet, they'll probably be gone by the end of the day. I think today is the busiest travel day of the Holy Week holiday. Everything opens up again on Saturday. So just need to buy enough stuff to last me 2 days. One thing you'll notice, no stop signs. So people just kind of do whatever the hell they want. Hey, how about that, a sidewalk? Cebu Business Park is where we're headed.
Look, Ayala.
Okay. Hey, how about that, a stoplight? Believe it or not, outside of the major cities, stoplights aren't a thing. And that's when traffic really gets interesting. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. This is public transportation in the Philippines. You wonder why there's bad air here? Do you ever see the smoke that comes out of these things? This over here is Lander's Superstore. This is one of our versions of Costco. It requires a membership and it carries a lot of American products. So if there's something I need from the States, I can probably find it. However, it comes at a cost. So but at least the availability is here. Going on at the movies today, there you are. One of the Filipino neighborhoods. Cebu Business Park. It's just about a 10-minute walk or so till I'm in the middle of this business park. Not too bad. street is another pain in the ass. Pedestrians have no right of way here. Well, it was easier than usual. Usually you have to wait a good 3 or 4 minutes before you could cross the street, but I got it at a good time. So it's a nice area. This could be any area in California or Hawaii or any place with palm trees, pretty much. This building used to be the Marriott. The Marriott shut down here after last year. They're putting in a local Filipino brand. I did read that they're putting a Holiday Inn in Cebu somewhere around here in 2020. There's always people on motorbikes offering to give rides. It's part of the public transportation system. They give you a helmet, you get on the back, and they'll take you where you need to go. Probably not the safest of routes to take, but if you need to get somewhere quickly, just like in Vietnam, the motorbike is the way to go. But luckily, I don't need to take public transportation very often. I live close enough to shopping like this mall, the Ayala Center. So this is where I will be heading to today. More specifically, a place called Rustin's. I don't know if you can see it off in the distance. Landers has a big supermarket, but Rustin's is more your local supermarket, where Landers carries a lot of Western stuff. Rustin's also has a lot of Western stuff, but they carry a lot of the local stuff too. So Ayala, they now have Cold Stone Creamery, they have an NBA store. They have a lot of Western stores. A lot of condos. The condos that are close to the mall, they're probably going to run you $600 or more a month. Where I'm living, I pay about $275. So all I have to do is walk 10 minutes and I'm at the shopping center. So anyways, that's the end of this journey. So it took 15.5 minutes. I'm going to be going into that supermarket. See you guys later.